What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Gaming Ways 1. How are you doing guys? I hope everyone is doing okay. New day, new video. You know that how we roll, fresh content every day. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you're not yet, kindly subscribe and join the family so you never miss the fun. Also guys, destroy that like button. It hit as hard as possible. And let go for 10 likes guys. And know for the main reason you clicked this video. Are you tired of driving in the rain? And you don't like the rain for whatever reasons you have? In Truckers of Europe 3 and disable rain if you don't want to drive in the rain. I mean, look how the rain texture looks so beautiful, but there is no button you can toggle to disable rain in the game. I think this method is a glitch, a bug if you will. So watch the whole video and follow all the steps. And you'll be gaming without rain. I think rain effects in this game is very heavy. So mid-range phones struggle a lot, and the game might start to lag, and even sometimes force stop. So to turn off the rain effect, hit the pause button on the top right corner, then hit home button. The game will take you to the main menu. Just hit drive. The game will load back and continue where you paused the game and continue with your journey without any rain. If this trick was helpful, drop a like on the video. Also tell me in the comments section, do you prefer to drive with or without rain and why? It been your boy Gaming Ways 1 here. Enjoy watching the rest of the gameplay, and I will see you all in the next one. Stay safe and I'm out.